Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify referral tracking with ReferralCandy from Shopify. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify referral tracking with ReferralCandy from Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once logged in, navigate to the Apps section in the left sidebar. Locate ReferralCandy in your list of installed apps and click on it to open the app. Next, go to the Settings tab within the ReferralCandy dashboard. Here, ensure that your referral program is active and all necessary information is filled out. Now, open a new tab in your browser and navigate to your online store. While on your store's front end, create a test order as a potential customer. During checkout, enter a different email address from your admin email. Complete the order process to simulate a referral. Afterward, return to the ReferralCandy app and select the Referrals tab. Look for the test order you just made in the referrals list. Check if the referral details are recorded correctly, including the referred email address. If the referral is showing up, click on it to view more details. Verify that the status of the referral is marked as pending or approved as expected. If it doesn't appear, go back to your Shopify admin and ensure that the ReferralCandy script is correctly installed in your theme. Make sure that the referral tracking script is included on the relevant pages, particularly the order confirmation page. Once you've confirmed everything is set up correctly in Shopify, repeat the test order if necessary. Finally, monitor your ReferralCandy dashboard in the coming days for updates on the referral status. This will help you confirm that the tracking is functioning smoothly and that referrals are being recorded accurately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.